Creating an impressive portfolio on Behance, a platform for showcasing creative work, can help you stand out as a professional in your field. Here's a guide on how to create the best portfolio. Sign up and complete your profile. Start by signing up for a Behance account. Ensure your profile includes a professional photo, a well-written bio, and links to your other online profiles. Organize your work. Group your projects into collections or categories. This makes it easier for visitors to navigate and find specific types of work. High-quality images. Use high-resolution images for your projects. Clear, valid photos or visuals that showcase your work are essential. Compelling project titles and descriptions. Craft concise yet informative project titles and descriptions. Explain your creative process, the problem you solved, and the skills used. Showcase diversity. Include a variety of projects that highlight your skills and versatility. This can include personal and professional work. Tell a story. Use project case studies to tell the story behind your work. Share your thought process, challenges faced, and how you overcame them. Highlight key projects. Place your most impressive or important projects at the top of your portfolio to capture visitors' attention immediately. Engage with the community. Like, comment, and follow other creatives on Behance. Engaging with the community can help you get noticed and build connections. Request recommendations. Ask colleagues or clients to write recommendations for you on Behance. Positive endorsements can boost your credibility. Regular updates. Keep your portfolio updated with your latest work. Consistency shows that you're active and continually evolving as a creative professional. Share on social media. Promote your Behance portfolio on your social media profiles and website to reach a broader audience. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your project descriptions and text to improve discoverability.